Write the equation in standard for the line that passes through the point 3, -2 and is parallel to this. So this is our slope. I'm going to use point slope form, y minus blank equals blank parentheses. So my y goes here, my m goes here, and my x goes here. My y is 2 over 3. My y is -2. That's going to turn that into a plus, and this is going to be 3. So I'm going to have y plus 2 equals, this will be 2 over 3x. You're going to distribute minus 2. I'm going to subtract the 2 across. So I'll get, I'm going to put it over here, y equals 2 over 3x minus 4. And then I want this in standard form, so I need to get rid of this fraction. I'm going to multiply by 3. I'll get 3y equals 2x minus 12. Move the x over, and I'm running out of room here. -2x plus 3y equal -12. X can't be negative, so 2x minus 3y equals a positive 12. That's the standard form of this. Write the equation of a line in slope-intercept form that passes through -4 and is parallel to this. Okay, so this is going to be our slope, and this is going to be our point in it. So write down y minus blank equals blank parentheses x minus blank. My point, my y is -2. That makes this a plus. My slope is 3 over 4. And my x is -4. That makes this a plus. So distribute the 3/4. You get y plus 2 equals 3 over 4x plus 3. Move the 2 across. Y equals 3 over 4x plus 1. Now then, think about this. It has to be parallel to this slope, so it has to have 3/4. That eliminates these two. These two are perpendicular in it. Now then, what did we end up with? That should be a plus 2. That should be a plus 3. Should be 1 here. None of these are 1. Passes through -4, -2. This should be 4, and this should be 2. Is that right? It should be 2. This will be 6 over 4. This won't work out. Y plus 2 equals 3 over 4x plus 3. No, this is right. Y equals 3 over 4x plus 1. It's not one of these. This is no, just write down this. Y equals 3 over 4x plus 1 is what your line would be. Because if you plug in a -4 here, you would get a -2 for your answer. So if you put -4 here, if you multiply this, this would be -3 plus 1, which would be a -2. So this right here should be the equation, not one of these. Determine the slope using the following. You're going to do y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Draw your fraction bar, put your minuses. Now then, notice these are y's, aren't they? The y's are the same. This is also delta y over delta x. Change in y over change in x. Are the y's changing? The y's are not changing, so this has a slope of 0, doesn't it? If the y's don't change, it has a slope of 0. If the x's don't change, it's undefined. Right here, draw your fraction bar, minus, minus. -3 minus 3, -4 minus 7. You would get -6 over -11, which would be 6 over 11. Right here, the x's don't change on this one, do they? Notice the x's. If the x's don't change, the x's are constant. No change in x is undefined, isn't it? Because you would have fraction bar minus, minus. You would have -2 minus a -2 on the bottom, wouldn't you? And you would end up with a fraction bar and a 0. This is undefined. Do not use no slope.